You goony-looking cocksmoker. Not much of a surprise to find you in the Gibroney file. You've always been a hack. Not just in comedy, but in other professions you've decided to make a mockery of, like acting or writing. It's ironic that your public persona was almost entirely lifted from real comedians like Bill Hicks and George Carlin, yet your values seem to be more in line with those of dim-witted conformists, rather than those of a well-informed, ranting comedian. The fact that you're a sheeple in wolf's clothing probably has a lot to do with you landing the starring role in Rescue Me, a show about 9/11 first responders. Bet you didn't expect your co-star Daniel Sunjata to come out and publicly support the 9/11 truth movement though, did you? Now we all get to watch the question get thrown in your uninformed face. Of course, I don't always approve of accosting people on the street regarding 9/11. Depends on the person, I say. But if you're going to star in a show dealing specifically with the topic, you should probably expect to be dealing with it yourself for the near future, especially a subject as controversial as 9/11. I know in the 90s you were able to trick everyone into thinking that you're some type of truth-telling badass, but here, in the post-internet bubble America, we talk a lot more, and we ask a lot more questions. So it's much harder to do the whole pretending to rock the boat when I'm still really just a louder conformist thing. Anyway, have a nice time milking whatever's left of your reputation doing commercials and sucking Glenn Beck's nuts. Jabroni.